Hi, today I will show you how to install WordPress on Linux Ubuntu. This is modification of Linux Ubuntu. Linux Xubuntu. Let's begin. Open Applications, type Terminal, or you have this in Favorites folder. Open Terminal Emulator. Press Ctrl Shift plus. Type sudo s and go to Edit menu, Preferences, Appearance, Advanced, change the color. No, don't change anything. Go to General, click Enter. Type your password. I tried to enlarge the screen. Change the font size. Click OK. Hit Close button. Type apt-get install Apache 2. Let's close Synaptic. Try again. Press Y. Click Enter. type apt get install apt is shortened aptitude. This means aptitude, this means apt. Apt means aptitude, this means to get or install. Okay, type mysql -server, click enter. Type y, click enter. Now you are ready to type your password here. Press tab key and click OK. Repeat your password again. It must be the same. The password must be the same to match. If the password is not the same, there is no match. Click tab, press enter for OK. Type apt. Apt stands for aptitude. Apt is acronym for aptitude. Type apt dash get install php 5 dash mysql. Click enter key. Now type apt or apt get install php 5 dash mysql. No, I did it. Type mysql client. Click enter key. Type apt dash get install php my admin. Click enter or press enter. I made mistake. I didn't write letter S or S letter. Now this will be corrected. Press enter key, not click. The word click is click. This means to click over an ad in website. Press the button of the lift of the elevator. Press the button on keyboard of computer, and so on. Type Y, press enter. Because I used to use the mouse often, very often. Now press tab key for OK. Press enter key and you will be done. Read this carefully. The PHPMyAdmin package must have a database installed and configured before it can be used. This can be optionally handled with dbconfig-common. If you are an advanced database administrator and know that you want to perform this configuration manually, or if your database has already been installed and configured, you should refuse this option. Details on what needs to be done should most likely be provided in /usr/share/doc/phpMyAdmin. Otherwise, you should probably choose this option. Configure database for phpMyAdmin with dbconfig-common. Click yes or press enter key. Now type the password. For example, if I type password 123456789, oh, excuse me, I will type a simple password 123456789. Press OK. Now I will confirm the simple password 123456891. Excuse me, I made mistake. 123456789. Press tab key, click OK or press enter. I will repair this. Click OK. Now retry. Repeat the password but change the password. It will not be the simple one. I choose. The password must be letters, numbers and symbols. Press enter key. Now I am done. Let's check what we have done. Minimize. Go to Applications, Internet, choose Mozilla Firefox. Before enter localhost, you can change something which is very useful for your security. Go to this button. Change the preferences here. Click this gear button. Go to General. Change Where do you want to save the files? Click the second radio button. Always ask me where to save files, because the default folder is downloads. Go to privacy. Check never remember history. This means your history will be deleted automatically. Click OK and you will enter again in Mozilla Firefox. Go to this left or right button. Click gear button, preferences. Go to security. Your password will not be remembered. Click close. And now check your local host. Now it's working. Type localhost // I always make mistake. Excuse me for my mistake. I will correct myself. Type localhost / this mean right. For left they say backslash, because backslash this mean in the left, like see I don't know how to say 2 dots. Like see this. But in Linux it is slash, this mean on the right, colon, colon, this is 2 points, semicolon, this mean point, comma, only comma is comma, point or period in American English is point. Exclamation mark is when you click shift, hold shift. Nevertheless, shift is right, shift is left. This is exclamation mark. When you begin to hold key of shift key, question mark. Grave accent when you hold shift key, you have this. Now let's begin. Type localhost. If you type localhost second time, it's not found. If you delete this with backspace and type php myadmin, it's not. Oh, I have another mistake. Let's check. Root name, this is the administrator of the system. Press tab key, type your password. When you install Linux Xubuntu or Linux Ubuntu, try your password to be with number, letter and symbol. The password must be from 8 to 12 or 15 symbols. Click Go. You have encrypt missing. This extension is missing. When you go to terminal, type this: apt-get install encrypt. Press enter. Refresh phpMyAdmin when you click here. Log out of phpMyAdmin and enter again. Press enter key. The mistake is the same. Don't worry. Be happy. Click Databases. Now I have all granted and I have privileges. Don't install Xampp on Linux. I did it before and I was in due to reinstall Linux Ubuntu. Now type WordPress for database. Collation must be UTF-MB4 UTF-MB4 General CI UTF-8-MB4 underscore general underscore CI. Click Create. Okay, now we have a problem with WordPress. This is an error. I don't know what's the problem. Type WordPress 1. Okay. I don't know why. What's the problem about WordPress only? Let's try again. Okay. Everything is okay. Now go to Users. Add user. Type admin. Host any host. This must be changed into localhost. Type your password. Global privileges. Press or click check all. Press go button. You have added a new user. Now we are done. Let's check everything. If we want to type php info, what's the next. Let's check for Google how to type PHP info. Select this, make a copy, for example, if we don't have show desktop on Linux Xubuntu, how to do that? Go to Applications, Settings or System, choose Synaptic Package Manager, type your password, press this button, Authenticate. And type this, show desktop. Or press the panel on the panel. Click on the panel, right mouse button, click panel, add new items. Select keyboard layouts. Select show desktop. Click add. And now keyboard layout, click add button and you have it. Close. Press this show desktop button. Now it's easy. If you want to move the panel down, click right mouse button, move or press escape for cancel. Or choose panel preferences. Lock panel. Uncheck lock panel. With mouse, move it down. For example, if you use arrows button, you will not do that. Use the mouse, move it down like Windows. Check lock panel and now close. You have done this like Windows. Now it's easy. Go to Applications, type Gedit. Press enter. Go to Edit, Preferences, Font and Colors. Uncheck Font, use the system fixed with font monospace. Editor font monospace. click plus sign and let it be 30. Click select button, click close button, type this from php.net. Make a copy and type following. Is less than question mark php spacebar, enter, Control V, semicolon, enter, question mark, sign is greater than. Save it like info .php, press enter. Next, close. Go to this is tuner, file manager. Go to file manager, open file system, var folder, and this folder www, open HTML. You cannot paste anything because this folder is not changed like ownership. In Linux you are not the owner of this folder. How to become an owner in Linux folder. Open terminal. Type this chown dash caps, this means capital letter R. Type your administrative username, press spacebar slash var slash www slash html, press enter. Second, chmod 775 slash var slash www slash html, press enter and check if you changed the ownership. If this doesn't work, check again. Create new document, no templates, or create new documents empty file. Name it info.php. Open with Gedit. Open with Bluefish editor. It's by default, but you can use the second one. Open with. Choose Gedit. Write the same. Sign is less than question mark PHP, enter. If you don't know, if you don't remember this, open this. Make it like this to select it. Open terminal. Open this document. Paste. Type semicolon. Semicolon is for end. This means end of syntax. If you want to show the numbers, go to Edit, Preferences, highlight current line, highlight matching brackets, displaying line numbers. Go to Font and Colors, use Cobalt, click Close, and you may leave it, but I will not leave it. I will finish it. I will close the tag in PHP. Let's check. Type localhost / info.php. Now we have it. Let's download WordPress. Go to wordpress.org. Click or press enter. Click with the mouse, press enter. Ready to get started. Download WordPress. I have WordPress in my native language. My native language is Bulgarian, but I will download it in English. I will press Save File. If I want to install Arc, this is archiving tool named Arc, and I will check this for installing. They say in Linux. I will mark for install. Click apply. Click apply button again, and I will have Arc Archiver tool. Click close. Minimize Synaptic. Press Save File and button OK. Save it in Downloads folder. Click Save. Click Show Desktop button. Click Home folder. Click Download folder. Right mouse button click on WordPress archive and extract here. You will have folder named WordPress. Enlarge this button. This means maximize. Open new tab. File menu. New tab. Ctrl T. And change this folder to file system var www html folder. Go to Downloads folder, choose WordPress folder, right mouse button click, left mouse button click, copy. Click, 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 click. Paste this folder. Go to localhost. Type WordPress. Click Enter. If we have this wp-config-sample.php, it must be wp-config.php. Let's try. Click Let's Go button. Type your password. For example, your password will be password. You must click Submit. But if you click Submit, you will try again because you have an error. Try again. You may choose what and how many symbols will be in your password. Now there is a message which is displayed. Sorry, but I can't write the wp-config.php file. What shall we do? I will make a copy. Copy. And I will go to WordPress folder, create document. I will name it wp-config.php. Create. Open this file with Editor. I will make paste. Paste this document. Save it. Close. Run the install button. Now I have WordPress ready to be installed. Site title for easiness, let it be home. Username admin. Password must be typed twice. When you use symbols in your password, that means your password is strong against hackers' attack. Many people mislead other people that hackers are people who goes to another or someone's computer like invaders. The invaders are crackers. Hackers are people who create anti-cracking tools. They put message for a system and they check is the password weak or strong. They protect and secure systems. Crackers are these people who are cracking down all servers, all systems. Type the password again. Type your email if you forgot your password. Click Install WordPress. Login. Tab Admin. Type your password. Click Login. And never check this button Remember Me, because nevertheless you are on Windows or on Linux. If you click in wrong website or website with malware or viruses or malicious software or malicious code, your password will be stolen. Never do this. Whoever you are, wherever you are, never check this button Remember Me, because many users, they're lazy to write down their passwords in some piece of paper. They store their password in computer, and don't do this. Click Login. Now check if your WordPress is new. You have the latest version of WordPress. If you need to reinstall WordPress, don't do this. In Linux it's very hard. For this reason, if you have new version, go to WordPress site, click download WordPress and delete old WordPress and install new WordPress. This is the simple, easy step. Because if you copy WordPress over on old WordPress, there will be chance or possibility to make mistake. First of all, if you have old version of WordPress, go to your folder where you installed old WordPress. If you have root access, enter and delete this folder. Go to the folder wherever you download new version of WordPress. Copy the new folder of WordPress and paste in the empty folder of old WordPress, and when you install it, you will have new version and clean WordPress. If you are Bulgarian, choose Bulgarian style of WordPress. How to do that? If you are Bulgarian, read carefully. Nevertheless, you are Bulgarian, Turkish, Russian or Englishman, read carefully and use the rules. Read comments, read WordPress forums. They are useful for everyone who wants to understand how to install properly WordPress, because Linux is very tender. They call it case sensitive. This means if we make a wrong going, there is a possibility to damage Linux folder. We must be careful what are we doing in Linux, because Linux is case sensitive. We must learn properly or right how to install properly Lampp. Lampp stands Linux, Apache, MySQL, Perl, PHP-MyAdmin, and we must be careful how to install Lampp and WordPress. It is not easy, but let me show you next time how to modify WordPress existing theme, how to make a child copy. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you forever.